It's a subdued rainy morning. The trees are beautiful. This maple in the backyard's almost bare of leaves. You can really tell how the net keeps the leaves out of the pond. Beautiful morning. Oh, I see we've lost some tension on the net. Gotta fix that today. You see how the net is down in the water, so it's a beautiful morning otherwise. The white zinnia have done quite well. I'm trying to gather seeds and disperse them there so they can reseed there. I didn't really cut this year. So beautiful. You can see some of our maples back there. They'll provide good coverage as they grow to screen the building that belongs to the neighbor. I may go ahead this morning and pull a few staples tighter on the pond. If it gets too saturated with leaves, it's hard to get out of the water. So beautiful, so peaceful.